So here we have this VEVOR 221 piece mechanics tool set. Now full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so this kit has quite a few different tools in it and they all come in this nice plastic case. It folds up just like this and then has two latches on the top as well as the bottom. There's also a handle on the top, and on the back side there's these two keyhole hangers so you can hang this up on the wall. It comes with a 3/8 ratchet and a bunch of different sockets. And then as far as the tools, it comes with a set of Allen wrenches, then a few screwdrivers. There's also 4 different standard metric and standard end wrenches, a ratchet with a bunch of different standard and metric sockets, and then a couple different socket extenders and adapters. There's also a set of cutters and needle nose pliers, as well as 6 different really small screwdrivers. And then it comes with a bunch of different bits. There's quite a few here, and it comes with this screwdriver that you're going to use with them. Overall, it seems like a pretty decent starter kit. I really like the case. I also like how you can mount it on the wall, and it holds everything in here nice and tight. It definitely doesn't have a full range of tools for a mechanic, but it comes with the basics, and they seem like they're all pretty decent quality. I do think that there's a few too many of these small bits. It would have been better to include some more wrenches, and for a mechanic, I honestly don't think that these small screwdrivers are going to be very helpful. But anyway, overall, for the price, I'd say it's a decent kit, and it comes with a really nice case.